The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500, a legend refined. Your premier destination for everything fast, powerful, and innovative in the world of motorcycling today, we are diving deep into a machine that has long held a sacred place in the cruiser segment, but is rumored to be returning with a vengeance. We are talking about the highly anticipated 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500. While Kawasaki has kept official cards close to the chest, the industry is buzzing with speculation that the iconic Vulcan nameplate is set to receive a significant update for the upcoming model year. At Speedriders, we have compiled the leaks, the rumors, and the logical expectations to paint a picture of what this beast might look like when it finally hits the tarmac. The heart of the beast, powertrain expectations. When you mention a 1500, you are immediately speaking the language of torque, and the 2026 model is expected to deliver in spades. The speculation points toward a refined V-twin engine, likely a liquid-cooled, 1,453 cubic centimeters powerhouse. The goal here is not necessarily to compete with the high-revving performance bikes, but to dominate the low-end and mid-range grunt. We are anticipating a smooth, fuel-injected power delivery that makes highway cruising effortless and backroad passing an absolute breeze. Expect Kawasaki to focus on reducing mechanical noise and vibration even further, creating a powertrain that feels bulletproof and almost turbine-like in its smoothness, all while retaining that distinct V-twin rumble that riders crave. Design language: classic meets contemporary. Kawasaki has a knack for evolving their classic designs without losing the soul of the machine, and the 2026 Vulcan 1500 is rumored to be the perfect embodiment of that philosophy. We are likely looking at a silhouette that is undeniably cruiser low-slung, long, and mean, but with modern touches that set it apart from the competition. Think aggressive LED lighting front and rear, a sculpted fuel tank with sharper lines, and a choice between spoke wheels for that vintage look or machined alloy wheels for a more modern aesthetic. The exhaust system is expected to be a highlight, perhaps a staggered dual setup that not only looks the part but also produces a deep, authoritative note. The overall vibe should be one of premium craftsmanship, aimed at the rider who appreciates heritage but demands modern sophistication. Chassis, handling, and technology. The true evolution for the 2026 model will likely be found in its bones and brains. We anticipate a robust, double cradle frame designed to provide a planted feel. Whether you are navigating city traffic or carving through a canyon, suspension duties will probably be handled by a 41mm telescopic fork up front and Kawasaki's signature Unitrack system with adjustable preload in the rear, ensuring a compliant ride regardless of load. Where this bike will truly shine is in its technology package. Riders should expect a full digital or hybrid analog-digital display with smartphone connectivity, allowing for navigation and music control. Cruise control is almost a given for a bike of this caliber, and we wouldn't be surprised to see multiple riding modes that adjust throttle response and traction control intervention, making the Vulcan 1500 a technologically advanced cruiser that adapts to the rider's environment. Rider comfort and ergonomics. A long-distance cruiser lives or dies by its comfort, and Kawasaki understands this better than most. The 2026 Vulcan 1500 is rumored to feature a redesigned seat with high-density foam to keep you comfortable for hours in the saddle. The floorboards are expected to be generously sized, offering multiple foot positions to reduce fatigue, while the handlebars will likely pull back just enough to provide a relaxed, upright riding posture. We are also hoping to see convenient features like a large, easy-to-read instrumentation panel and ample storage options, whether through optional hard bags or a thoughtfully designed accessory catalog. This is a bike built for the journey, and every ergonomic choice will reflect that mission. Conclusion: the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 1500 is shaping up to be more than just a motorcycle. It is a statement of intent from Kawasaki to dominate the large displacement cruiser market. By blending a powerful and refined engine with a classic yet modern design and a suite of contemporary technology, it promises to be a compelling option for both seasoned veterans and those looking to upgrade to a serious touring machine. Here at Speedriders, we will be watching closely for the official unveiling, and you can bet we will be the first to bring you the ride review. Until then, keep the rubber side down and stay tuned for more updates.